Why your lash lift kit isn't working anymore. So I've been using lash lift kits for a few months now, and I noticed that I'm having the same issue with different kits. This is the kit that I currently use, and they come with these little bottles, and you open up the bottle and then you use it a couple of times. But after 1 to 2 uses, I've noticed that the potency isn't the same and my lashes start to fall, or I'm not getting the curl that I want to get from them. So I started looking on Amazon and I was trying to find one with single-use packets. That way it's fresh each time. And the one I found was this one. This one's from Clione. So steps 1, 2, and 3 are all single-use packets, meaning each time you open it, you get it nice and fresh, making sure that that curl is always gonna curl for you. So I've been really happy with this product. My lashes are staying curled, they're not falling, I'm not having any issues. So if you're interested in trying this out, again, this one's from Amazon. Just type in Clione Prime Lash Lift Kit in the search bar and this will pop up for you.